Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to capture a part of a screen or a portion of a screen using ScreenCaptureKit in native macOS application. Now I have already made a lot of videos on ScreenCaptureKit. If you haven't watched those, do check them out on my channel. So anyways, let's get started. So first I want to tell you something that I have hard coded what I want to capture. So here you can see the x is 0, y is 0, width is 200, height is 200. So it will capture somewhere around the top left side of our macOS. So I'll just click on the start button. It will first ask me for permission. I'll click on the open settings and it will show my app over here. Then I will just give my app the permission. I will enter my password and I click on modify setting. Given that it is a sensitive permission, it requires a password. I'll just do quit and reopen. It will automatically reopen our app. You don't have to run it via Xcode again. Then again I'll click on the start and here you can see that it has started recording my screen. Now it is only recording the left hand side, like here you can see at the top it is showing the recording icon. Now what I'll do is that I'll go over here. So this is the YouTube playing, so hopefully it should record my YouTube as well. I'll just play the audio for a minute.
For a long time, like freestyle session and 8 and stuff like that, and even some of them are like,
okay, now I will also here show the settings icon, settings app, so that it records the settings as well. Okay, then again I'll go back to my app and just click on stop. So the recording is stored inside the downloads folder. So I'll just go to the downloads folder and here I will open it, and here you can see at the very start it just recorded my settings app. Okay, and also I have changed the background color. So yeah, you can change the background too. So here you can see it is recorded our setting YouTube app as well.
for a long time, like freestyle session and 8 and stuff like that, and even some of them are like,
so hopefully you were able to hear the YouTube audio as well. And again here I moved back my settings app, so it is recording that as well. So hopefully you got the point. So let's have a look at the code. So here I have created a native macOS application using Xcode. I'm using AppKit, but if AppKit Cocoa framework, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. First thing which you have to do is once your app is created, go to general, go to sign in and capabilities, scroll down, and here inside app sandbox you will have to check this audio input option if you are capturing audio. And given that the file is stored inside the downloads folder, we have to enable this read write option as well. So make sure you enable that as well. Next, all you have to do is go to your view controller. Now to be honest with you, I have copied a lot of code from this documentation, so I won't be able to explain each and everything. So I have imported AV Foundation, AVF audio as well as ScreenCaptureKit, and I'm extending this stream delegate as well as stream output. Here is a stream type of what we want to record, but we are recording everything, like whatever is present on the screen by default. Then we are recording the audio. This is for audio quality, this is for video format which you want. Then this entire thing I have just copy pasted it from docs. I'm not really good at this. Here I have created the start and stop button which you can see, and here we have also added some click listener functions for those. And here you can see once we have clicked on the start button, we first ask for that permission. If there is any error, that means we don't have a permission, then we automatically launch the settings app. If not, we already have the permission, then we just assign our content to this particular variable. Ignore this. Then here we just call prep record. Once stop button is clicked, we just call stop recording. Now for preparing our record, again I'm not really good at this. Here we are just creating our filter. So if you want to exclude some particular screen, here you can pass inside the excluded option as well. So here you can see I'm excluding my own app. That's what this logic is all about. If you don't want to exclude your own app, you can remove this particular thing and just pass empty array over here. Then here we just start our recording. Again I have just copy pasted. The important part is if you want to record the entire screen, you should comment out this code. Also this particular thing changes our background color to white of the recorded video which I am talking about. So if you want, you can change the background color as well. Here I create a CG rect make. So here this is the X, this is the Y, this is the width and this is the height. I think even before instead of hard coding, you can ask the user to select a particular part of the screen, then get the XY width and height and change it to this particular values over here. So I think that would be a better approach. Just like we have QuickTime Player. Again, I want to show the cursor, I want to capture the audio. Again, this has been copied from docs. I'm not really good at this. This is for stopping our recording. This is for updating our audio settings. Now there are different formats as well. If you are interested, you can use this, but for me it's fine. This is fine. Okay, then here we initialize our video. Again, I'm not really good at this. This is for saving our file to the downloads directory. So I'll simply scroll through this. I don't really understand all this stuff. This is for close video. I'm not really sure. Here we are overriding one method. So again, we have just copy pasted it, all the code. And so yeah, that's it. And here I have created few extensions as well. Again, I have copy pasted this from the documentation. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.